Yo, what's up my people? It's your boy speaking here once again with another update. So in today's video we are going to talk about how to earn from this particular Neptune network, because they are doing $500 airdrop to each and everybody that sign up to the platform. So all you have to do is to follow the link in the description of this video to sign up to this particular platform. It will take you to this particular place where you will see the interface of the main website. So as you can see, according to the platform, it says AI driven DeFi, the future of decentralized trading. Build and use the best Web3 ecology on the Neptune to create more open and free, fair future. And if you scroll down, you will see the founder team, which the first person as the CEO is Anthony Jack, the CCO is Maurice Jones. You can also check down and see the team behind this particular project, and also you can also see their roadmap. The 2023, the third month of 2023, the Neptune network established with the goal of creating a more open, efficient and accessible global financial system. Now the 5th month of the 2023, you can see what they did. The same thing goes to the 8th month and now the 11th month. So you can see how the roadmap on. You can take your time to read out and know more about the project which we are talking about. But this one is the one you can do on your own. So our main target today is to talk about the airdrop, which is how we can earn the $500 per any user. So what you have to do is to click on this particular place that says download for Android. This is for the Android users, and since it's just an APK, your phone is going to warn you for you that this particular app can be harmful, but just click on download anyway because it's not harmful. So after the download is done, just click on open here and then access the app. Click on install and then install it on your phone. And once it's done, click on open over here and the app is going to open. So the next thing is for you to click on create a wallet. So click on this particular place to get a private key and then enter a verification code, the wallet password, repeat password, and every other thing that follows it. So once you're done with everything, click on get private key. But for purpose and safety of my account, I'm not gonna click it because the private key is what you don't want any second person to see, and so for that I will not click to get private key. What you have to do is to, once you're done entering the password and confirming it, entering the verification code to show that you are not a robot, click on get private key. Then once you get your private key, go and save it to where you will know that you can easily get it and it's only you that will get it, because once you lose your private key, your account is no more. And once anybody gets hold to your private key, your account is also accessible to that person only. And now let me go ahead and complete it. And here it's going to ask you to enter the private key which you clicked and get, and then confirm it, copy it and paste it where you know that only you can access. Then it's going to ask you for the private key, then enter the wallet password which you entered when signing up. So once you're done with it, it's going to bring you to this particular place. And just like I can see, as you can see on my account, your account is going to be $0 So what you have to do now is to go ahead and look away and see how the thing is going. So the next thing you have to do for you to receive the $500 on this particular token as a sign up code for this particular token is to go ahead to your personal section and then click on invite friends. So if you click on invite friends, you will see where they will show you your own referral link. Then this is where you will do the things to get your first $500 as a sign up bonus here. So what you have to do is to click on enter this code that I'm going to enter, my code that is going to be in the description of this video or anywhere in this video. You're gonna see the invite link, copy it, enter it, and then so once you're done entering the invite code in the description of this video, click on this particular place that says bind, and as you can see, they will tell you that your bind is successful. And now if you go over to your account, refresh your account, then boom, you will see that 5,000 pieces of this Neptune token is now rewarded to you and is currently worth $500 as you can see in the listing price of the token. Now this is where the game starts. As you can see, you have done it, you have gotten the $500 worth of the token, and now I know you'll be asking me what is the next way. But let's take a look at their market section. You see that the NT, which is their token, the initial token of the project, is currently trading at 10 cents. That means that is why the 5,000 pieces which was given to you was worth $500. So as you can see, it's also showing the BTC, the Ethereum, the BNB, the WBTC, ARB, USDT, and TRX as it's currently trading with the current price of it. So before talking about how to withdraw your coin, we can also check out about some ways of earning on the platform. Well, there is this particular place that's called trading, where you will be doing the quantitative trading for it. So as you can see, this particular one is going to be giving you, this particular one is trading with TRS. So it's going to be giving you 0.5% every day and 30% every month. So what is the minimum? The minimum is 100 TRS. How do you do it? All you have to do is to make sure you have up to 100 TRS on your TRS account. For you to have it, simply go over to this TRS section and click on receive over here. If you click on receive, it's going to bring out a wallet address for you to copy it, deposit minimum of 100 TRS there, and then start using it to generate revenue while we wait for the listing date of the token. The same thing, go over to the USD section. As you can see, on its USDT section is also going to be giving you 0.45% every single day, and which is 13.5% every single month, and the least amount of it is 10 USDT. So that means all you have to do is to have minimum of 10 USDT on your account and enter it over here, and then click on start to start generating revenue for you every day. You can choose to stop your trading anytime, any day in the system, then withdraw your profits and your capital. Very simple. Now let's go over to the Telegram channel for us to know more information about them and about the listing of the token, which is one of the reasons why all of you are still here. So if I click on the Telegram icon over here, it's going to take me over to the Telegram group. So now look at the information which they drop for us. They say that we are happy to announce that NT token exchange feature will be launched by January 25 to 24. So according to their Telegram channel, they say that their launching date is going to be 2024 January 25. So note that. So as it says, as we reach this incredible milestone, we are proud to share that the first month alone, the Neptune network have attracted an impression of 250,000 users, an average of 8,250 new users joining every single day. So they says, but this is not all. In order to unlock the complete potential and the value of the NT token, we need to reach a total of 1.29 million users before we can launch the regime of the function. And this, you can read this thing by yourself in the platform. And furthermore, it says once this process is completed, users will receive the token reward, marking the beginning of the exciting journey for everyone to redeem valuable NT token. All users can freely buy and sell and redeem all NT token in their hands. So in summary of the whole thing, what they're trying to tell us is that the listing of the token and then how to sell it and other things is gonna be decided by January 25. So while we are waiting for it, it's either you do two things. It's either you go ahead and share your invite link just by going to your invite friends over here and then copy out your invite code, copy the link of the platform, then send it to your friends, and then once they input your invite code, the both of you is going to earn $500 worth of the token per once they bind your invite code, and once they buy your invite code, you will receive it and they will receive it also. Or you can also go ahead and do the quantitative trading, which is kind of good and there is nothing to lose about it, but try your best to invest what you can easily afford to lose. All you have to do is to have minimum of 100 TRS here to start the trading, or have minimum of 10 USDT to start the trading. Either ways, it's going to be giving you 0.45% every single day and 13.5% every single month. So you have the choice to unstake your trading, to stop your trading anytime, any day, and withdraw your capital. And that is what I know about the system. And now while we are doing it, you can also wait for them to wait for their listing. So I think I've given you guys all the value you needed, and all you need to do is to try your best to at least sign up and then share your invite link, then decide on the token you can do the trading with. And with this, I said I leave you guys in peace. Remember, my name still remains King, and this is ABK Crypto. See you guys on my next video. Bye.